Hello friends, thank you for joining me one more time in this series on how to stay positive in a negative world. Today is the last video I'm taping. I can tape probably 50 videos on this topic, but you get the point, right? It's not complicated. We have to purposely take action in order to turn negative thinking into positive thinking. And I'm not saying positive thinking in a way of, oh, everything will be all right. No, actually adding action to it. We need God in our life, and we need to pray, and we need to read the Bible, and we need to give, and we need to share, and we are in dire need of fellowship. We need to learn to meditate, be still before God, I said yesterday. And today, last but certainly not least, we need to be thankful. Bible really calls for thanksgiving. This is the most important thing to God. If you read the history with the Israelites in the deserts, what bothered him most was not maybe that they were disobedient or failed him, but they were murmuring, they were complaining. And God doesn't like complaining. He wants thankfulness. He wants a grateful heart. So we should cultivate a grateful heart. Let's go to Psalm 50. You can tell I love the Psalms, right? Let's go to Psalm 50, verse 14, where it says, "Make thankfulness your sacrifice to God and keep the vows you made to the Most High." Make thankfulness your sacrifice to God. No, we don't sacrifice animals anymore. We don't do that anymore. But the Bible calls for sacrifices. And here it says, make thankfulness your sacrifice to God. And I can promise you that when we do that on a daily basis, it will really turn negative mindset into positive mindset. I hope this series has helped you. Feel free to share it with someone who you think might need it too. And I would love to hear your comments and if it made any changes in your life. And because that's my prayer and that's my hope, that we will together, I think as believers, shine our light in this dark, dark world. And tell you, we will win. So, bye.